show them. I'll prove that I can be hardcore.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is ARA. I am so excited for today's video. Today I am bringing you the first installment of 3. We're going to be turning ourselves into the Powerpuff Girls. I am so excited. Today we're bringing you a Blossom with these cute little pigtails, my little blue bows, and my blue, like there's just a lot of blue going on, right? But no, I'm so excited to show you guys this video. You can use this just to get a simple blue eyeshadow for anything if you're using this for Halloween. Even more sickening. If you guys recreate this look or any of my looks that you'll see in these next 3 videos, please make sure to tag me on TikTok and on Instagram, both at ARA_vanity. And I think that that's it for the intro. I don't know what else to say. So on that note, let's head on over to the transformation station. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to just take a blue eyeshadow, like a nice cerulean. I ain't turned my volume. Oops. I was gonna do the cerulean monologue, but now the moment's over with.
Something funny?
So, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and put the cerulean into my crease, and we're just gonna build that color up. I love the Powerpuff Girls. Ooh, which Powerpuff Girl are you? And explain why. Buttercup? Which other one would you be? If you say Blossom and Buttercup, I swear to God, I think you're just a full Buttercup. Why do you think you have Bubbles energy? Okay, but if you're Bubbles and Buttercup, then you have Bubbles energy and you have Buttercup energy. So why do you have Bubbles energy?
I look like I'm more Bubbles than Buttercup because when Bubbles gets upset, she becomes the craziest part of all 3. I think
It's so true. No, we made Buttercup a lesbian.
Why?
So she was just... You're gonna sit here and tell me that Buttercup was not a lesbian?
No, she's not. If anyone was a lesbian, Bubbles.
No,
You
she
know,
is...
Yeah.
No,
I gave her lesbian, she's butch. That's why.
it's the same reason that Rainbow Dash is lesbian.
She's not a lesbian.
Yep. So you're gonna tell me that Buttercup and Rainbow Dash are not lesbians? In what way?
Yeah.
Why would Bubbles be the lesbian? Why? No, to me she's more like a demisexual, like a pansexual. Like she just loves everybody. She just loves love.
I think Buttercup is the one that like people want to do that. Buttercup is a talent.
What was Bunny? You know Bunny is my favorite character of all time. But because she's soft and gentle and dainty.
Who, Bunny?
Me. I mean, honestly, it does depend on the day. I don't think I'm a Blossom at all. I feel like I could be Blossom because I like to take control and I like to be like, we're gonna do it my way and I want to be the leader, but like I'm not really the leader because we're all the same, but like there's a leader. I think I have mad Bubbles, but I don't think I have like normal Bubble at all. Buttercup is mad just to be mad. Like she's just always mad. I'm not that way. Don't make that face. I'm gonna take a darker blue and I'm gonna put that into my outer crease just to darken this all up. I mean, and that's what I'm saying, is like in that sense, yes, yeah. I mean, people do think I'm mean, but sometimes they're right. She's a bit what? She's a bit what? She's a bit what? Oh, okay. Also, I'm going with a little bit of black. Bubble Cups? Who's Bubble Cups? Oh. Did you just try to kick me out of the nerd council?
I don't think you were.
Yes, I was. She was there. We haven't met since quarantine.
You haven't met. You're not a part of it.
I am a part of it.
You're not a part of it. No girl allowed.
Dear Darla, I hate your stinking guts. You are the scum beneath my shoe. No, put black too far out and got it like,
Are you panicking?
yeah. I'm putting, so I'm taking black eyeliner and I'm putting that into my waterline, and then I'm gonna smoke that out on my bottom lash line, but I'm also gonna do like a smoky black eyeshadow liner on the top too, just because we're gonna be going in with rhinestones all over the face, and I just want this to be dark and blue, so do that. I started watching cartoon later because I was like a strict Disney and Nickelodeon person. Like that's all I watched. So Foster's Home was one of my favorites. Flapjack was one of my favorites. Chowder was one of my favorites. Billy and Mindy. Mandy. That one. But yeah, no, I don't remember watching Powerpuff Girls on Cartoon Network. I only remember watching it on like Boomerang, if that tells you what era of cartoons I was watching. I'm now going to go in with some eyelash glue and rhinestones, and we're just gonna put that all over the face and just make it all cute. I'm gonna pull up my lace on this side because I need to be able to glue things, but y'all can't see it, so it's fine. Ooh, but I know y'all heard it. Ew, that was a gross sound. Okay, time to glue rhinestones to the face. Let's do it on the inner corner, and I think that might be it. I think I just want to do 4 on each eye. Stick it there, and then we're gonna take another one. We're gonna take our finger, we're gonna stick it there. And then we're gonna stick this one here. This is what having nails does. I can't do things. And then, oh God, inner corner, it's gonna hurt. Okay, rhinestones. Lovely. So now I'm gonna do them on the other side, which this part will probably be cut out. Now who's the unprofessional one who didn't put their phone on silent? Okay, well, I think I'm done with my makeup. I am going to go off camera. I'm gonna put on a little outfit and a different little hair. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna feel my fantasy. So let's transform. Okay guys, and that is it. This is the look. I just realized I turned this way. You can totally see my black hair. This is the front, and this is the, anyway, that is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun creating this look today. I'm so excited for you to see the other 2 girls. They're gonna be sort of similar, but we're gonna change it up depending on their styles, obviously. So make sure that you guys subscribe and stay tuned for those next 2 videos because they're going to be sickening. And yeah, I believe that's it. If any of you recreate this look or any of my other looks that I have on my channel, make sure you tag me on Instagram at ARA_vanity. You can also find me on TikTok at ARA_vanity. And I think that'll be it. Till next time, bye.